So the first tool I'm going to talk about is the hacking knife. Yeah. Now, this is what they look like when they're new. This particular one is from Draper. It's got allegedly rosewood handles. They're very sharp when they're in their original packaging. Yeah. After a few weeks, they start to look like this, and after a few months, they look like this. All three of them, are still useful. This one's been sharpened multiple times. This one hasn't yet been sharpened, other than the factory set. And as I said, this one's new. They're called hacking or lead knives. They're nice and comfortable, which is very important because you're going to be hammering on that part many times, and so you want to take the bounce out. Some have got leather handles. The ones with plastic, the best thing, as with most plastic, is that it's never made in the first place. Yeah. So when you're hacking with one of these, what you do is you hold the knife and you're constantly banging on the point, and as you can see, over a period of time, the blade does get very marked. Yeah. They're easy to sharpen. Again, at a later date, I'll show you how to do that, but an excellent tool. Always have to take the star feeds off, almost whatever you do on these windows. And it's dead easy. Here you can see I've got a selection of pincers. They come in various sizes. I find the 8-inch pincer is probably my go-to pincer, but for really big nails, then I've also got a 10-inch pincers. Sorry. When they're in their original state, they're quite wide. After I've used them, this is the same size. So as you can see, they're both quite wide. Once I've ground them down, they are considerably narrower. Yeah, this won't get in the side rebate on a sash window, whereas this will. It's about 8 to 10 mil. Try 10 millimeters first. Yeah, if you find that it still doesn't get in, then grind them down a little bit further. You can do this with a grinding wheel,